Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds, covering all versions. We'll start with the fundamental mechanics that apply across the series. You'll learn how to master your slingshot and use each bird's unique power effectively. This guide will help you improve your scores and conquer every challenging level.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cooking tips. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly. You can find the link for this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Achieving your desired doneness is key. Always use a meat thermometer for precise internal temperature readings. For example, rare is 125 degrees Fahrenheit, while medium rare is between 130 and 135 degrees. After cooking, let your steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. To truly elevate your steak, consider some finishing touches. Basting with butter, garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme adds incredible depth of flavor. A quick pan sauce made from the drippings can also transform your meal. Finally, always remember to slice your steak against the grain. This ensures maximum tenderness and a more enjoyable eating experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.